Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Everyday J EDC. I got an unboxing here. It's a special one, big one. I've been waiting for quite some time for this one. So I am going to go ahead and get right into that. Use my Vosteed Psyop to open it up. This is a package from Kunwu, but it's not just any Kunwu. Oh, a package in a package. Get into this. Here we are. A nice box. Get into that. Shaking, I'm so excited. Waiting for quite some time for this one. If you guys haven't guessed which model this is yet, you'll see in just a second. Ooh, nice magnetic clasp. I like that. Nice bag. Certificate of authenticity. Some stickers. Nice cleaning cloth. Here we go. Snack and extra hardware. Here we go. Here we go. Yes. Here it is. The Kunwu Excalibur from Metal Complex. Sign it. This is in the reverse tux, so full DLC Vanex super clean blade with a titanium integral. It's got the newer clip, so it doesn't have the Timascus clip, but it does have the Timascus pivot collars. We can get those in there so you can see it a bit better before I pop this open. Kind of hard to tell. Frame lock. Get all this stuff out of here. Good looking stickers. All right. Here we are. Let's do a quick size comparison. This is only I got the Vosteed Psyop. Look at that, almost exactly the same. Compare it to the Magyar Mojarl. A little bit bigger than that. Oh, let's even test it out to the size of a Nintendo Switch controller. Got the classic purple. Of course, look at that. Pretty much bigger than that. All right. Let's open this up. Oh man, this texture is fantastic. All right. Oh my God. The action on that. Got the full DLC. Thumb studs. Ooh. That action. This integral, it's got some good weight to it. Action is smooth. Oh. Amazing. Can you hear the sound of that action? Let me hear it. Ooh. Just incredible. Love the little indent here it makes for the thumb studs that are stop pins. Contact on the top. The thumb hole, the fuller. Has the travel stop for the frame lock. Nice Metal Complex logo there. That steel insert. Let's get some weight on this real quick. It's got a good heft. I mean, it is a titanium integral, so it's one piece of titanium. It's on bearings. The Vanex blade. 5.7 ounces, so it's pretty hefty. Get my fingers out of the way. Oh, man. All right, let's get some measurements on it. Oh, my fingers keep getting in the way. All right, from tip to back, it is about, say, 8 3/8, a little right and a quarter. The blade itself is 3 3/4, 3.5 inches of cutting edge. Put it up next to these as well. See, it's definitely bigger than all three of these. Let's do one more comparison. Let's compare it to a banana. You can see it's a pretty big knife. Longer than this banana. It's a lot of fun. Oh, my fingers keep getting in the way. Absolutely incredible. This is in the reverse tux. They do have full DLC and a full satin finish, and then this is the reverse tux. I really like this. All right, guys. Keep this in my pocket. See how it works. See how it goes. We'll go from there. Thanks for tuning in. I will be back with more. Thank you.